Hi everyone, welcome to the Capital Plus channel. If you want to learn how to invest and grow your wealth, then this video is definitely for you. Today, we'll talk about 5 simple steps that will help you get started with investing, even if you have no experience. The first and most important step is to define your financial goals. Without a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, it will be difficult to choose the right investment strategy. Think about whether you want to save for retirement, buy a house, or simply grow your wealth. Everyone has different goals. It's important to write them down and understand what you want to achieve. Step 2 is learning the basics of investing. What are stocks? How do bonds work? What are the different types of assets? Stocks are shares in a company. Bonds are debt securities. Cryptocurrencies are a new market that attracts more and more people. The key is to understand which assets suit you. Now that you understand which assets you want to invest in, it's time to choose investment tools. For example, you can open a brokerage account, use a robo-advisor, or invest through retirement accounts. Brokerage accounts allow you to invest in stocks and bonds. Robo-advisors help you create a portfolio based on algorithms, while retirement accounts, like IRA or 401k, are great for long-term investing. Step 4 is understanding risk and diversification. Investing is always associated with risk, and it's important to spread your assets across different instruments to lower the overall risk. If you invest all your money in one stock, the risk of losing money increases. But if you spread your money across stocks, bonds, and funds, the risk will be lower. Step 5 is to start small. You don't need to invest large amounts of money right away. Start with a small amount, learn, and gradually increase your investments. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's better to start small, but do it consistently and smartly. So we discussed 5 simple steps. Define your goals, learn the basics, choose the tools, manage risks, and start small. If you're ready to start investing, don't forget to subscribe to the Capital Plus channel so you won't miss new videos with tips on personal finance and investing. See you in the next video. Key phrases for the video: start investing, financial goals, investment tools, stocks, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, risk and diversification, passive income, long-term investing, investment portfolio, step by step, consistency. Subscribe to the channel.